Hello guys, welcome back to another Lightroom editing tutorial. To download my DNG file, please read the description box below. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will use this photo as an example. Let's begin. First, go to Profiles. We will gonna use Artistic 5. For the lights, adjust the exposure to -0.09. Contrast to -11. And drag down the highlight to -100. Shadows to 100. Whites will be -62. And for the blacks, make it 42. Next is curve. Let's move to colors. Adjust the temperature to 13. Tint will be 23. Move the vibrance to 56. Saturation to -42. Now, look for the mix color. Hit the red, and adjust the hue to 17. Saturation will be on -12. Orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to 7. Yellow. Hue to -100. While saturation is -37. Next is green. Hue to -52. Saturation to -44. Aqua. Hue to 100. And drag down the saturation to -100. Blue. Saturation will be -31. And luminance to 20. Purple. Hue to -24. And saturation will be on -42. Leave the magenta color. For the effects, clarity will be 28. Dehaze 29. Vignette will be -16. For the midpoint will be 36. Feather 64. Roundness will be at 16. For the split tone, highlights, the hue is 135. And saturation is 9. Shadows, hue is 332 and saturation is 5. Last is balance. It will be 10. We're done. I hope you like it. Remember, if this preset does not fit to your photo, make a little bit adjustments, maybe in light, color mix, until you get the right effect that you want. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next Lightroom editing tutorial. Bye.